Hey there, culinary enthusiasts and kitchen champions. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest innovations in kitchen appliances. Today, we're diving into the realm of culinary convenience with our top 5 picks for convection toaster ovens in 2024. These versatile kitchen companions are not just about toasting. They can bake, roast, broil, and more. From cutting-edge features to multiple cooking functions and spacious interiors, these toaster ovens are transforming home cooking. Join us as we review these exceptional ovens, highlighting their precision, efficiency, and user-friendly designs. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe for more kitchen appliance reviews, and ring the bell icon for updates. Links to these amazing convection toaster ovens are waiting for you in the description below. Let's fire up the kitchen together. Starting at number 5, the multifunctional toaster oven offers a wide range of capabilities, making it a versatile choice for various cooking needs in a compact design. With a capacity of 40 liters, this toaster oven is suitable for various cooking tasks, from baking cakes and cookies to roasting chicken or making pizza. Its 4-layer baking positions allow for simultaneous cooking of multiple items, ideal for households catering to varied tastes or larger gatherings. Equipped with a knob design for easy operation, this oven offers 3 heating methods and independent temperature control for the upper and lower sections, providing flexibility in cooking different types of dishes. One of its standout features is the built-in hidden explosion-proof furnace light, enhancing visibility within the oven while ensuring safety during operation. The rhombic reflection design promotes even cooking, ensuring your dishes are deliciously baked to perfection. The temperature regulation, adjustable from 90 degrees Celsius to 230 degrees Celsius, along with a 60-minute timing feature, allows for precise control over the cooking process, ensuring consistent results each time. While this toaster oven offers extensive cooking options and a generous capacity, it might be more suitable for larger households or those who frequently host gatherings due to its ample cooking space. However, for smaller households or individuals with limited counter space, the 40 liters capacity might be more than necessary. In summary, the multifunctional toaster oven stands out for its versatility, offering a wide array of cooking options within a compact design. Its numerous features and ample capacity make it an excellent choice for larger households or anyone seeking a multifunctional appliance for various cooking needs. At number 4, the Conca electric baking toaster oven stands out for its simplicity and efficient performance, making it a suitable addition to kitchens requiring a versatile baking solution. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, this electric oven is built to last, boasting durability and rust resistance. Its non-stick coating facilitates easy removal of baked goods, ensuring convenient handling without the risk of burns. Designed for ease of use and care, this oven is effortless to clean. Simply wipe it with a damp cloth and store it in a dry, cool place after use. Its outstanding performance, owing to the high-quality aluminum alloy, allows for a variety of baking options, from cookies and cakes to pizzas and grilled chicken. This Conca electric baking oven, with its 12 liters capacity and 800 W power, is suitable for smaller households or individuals looking for a compact yet efficient baking solution. Its 3 heating modes provide versatility, and the quick and even heating of the aluminum alloy ensures uniform cooking. Ideal for baking, roasting, frying, and more, this electric oven offers convenience in both home and commercial settings. However, for larger households or those with higher cooking demands, the 12 liters capacity might be limiting. In conclusion, the Conca electric baking toaster oven is an excellent choice for smaller households or individuals seeking an easy-to-use, compact, and reliable baking appliance. Its sturdy build, efficient performance, and versatility make it a valuable addition to kitchens where space is a consideration. At number 3, the Black Plus Decker 8-slice extra-wide convection countertop toaster and pizza oven is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to simplify large baking tasks while offering an extended interior to fit a variety of bakeware. Featuring a spacious interior that accommodates most 9x13 inches pans with handles or an impressive 12 inches pizza, this oven enables users to bake, broil, toast, and keep food warm with precision. Its convection technology circulates warm air throughout the oven for quick and even cooking results. The oven's user-friendly controls include a 60-minute precision timer and a dedicated toast timer, ensuring predictable shade selection and longer baking tasks when necessary. The inclusion of a broiler pan and an external crumb tray simplifies cleanup, adding to its practicality. Crafted with a stainless steel finish and equipped with a dual-wall tempered glass door, this oven maintains durability while allowing users to keep an eye on cooking progress. The toaster oven fits most standard oven pans, ensuring convenience and versatility for a range of culinary needs. The Black Plus Decker Convection Countertop Toaster Oven is an ideal choice for users seeking a versatile mid-sized appliance that efficiently handles various baking tasks. Its spacious interior and precise controls cater to a diverse range of cooking needs. However, for those seeking more advanced functionalities or a larger capacity, this model might have limitations. In summary, the Black Plus Decker Convection Countertop Toaster Oven is an excellent option for users seeking a reliable and multifunctional appliance with a mid-sized capacity, perfect for everyday baking and toasting needs in homes or smaller kitchens. At number 2, the Wizardry Convection Toaster Oven is a compact yet capacious addition to any kitchen, available in 3 sizes catering to various family needs. Its 1,440-watt power and efficient fan ensure even hot air circulation, facilitating rapid and uniform baking, ideal for health-conscious cooking with less oil and fat. Crafted with a stainless steel body and tempered glass door, this oven is built to withstand frequent use, ensuring durability and easy cleaning. The inclusion of a dual-wall tempered glass door not only maintains heat, but also allows for monitoring cooking progress without heat loss. Ease of operation is paramount with 2 user-friendly knobs for precise temperature and time settings. Additionally, it comes with thoughtful features like a magnetic sealing strip to retain heat and dissipate it through effective air vents. The inclusion of multiple accessories, such as wire racks, a food tray, and heat-resistant gloves, adds convenience for immediate cooking. The Wizardry Convection Toaster Oven, designed for both home and commercial use, proves to be a versatile kitchen companion. Perfect for baking pizzas, bread, muffins, pastries, and even chicken, this appliance delivers quality cooking results. Its suitability for a variety of settings, from home kitchens to snack bars or restaurants, showcases its adaptability and reliability. For those seeking a reliable countertop oven with ample space and efficient performance for baking various dishes, the Wizardry Convection Toaster Oven is a compelling choice. Its versatility and durable build cater to both household and small-scale commercial cooking requirements. At number 1, the Breville Combi Wave 3-in-1 is a kitchen powerhouse offering a trifecta of functions: microwave, air fryer, and convection oven all in one appliance. This versatility allows for diverse cooking, from crispy air-fried favorites to convection-baked dishes and quick microwave heating. Its Element IQ system intelligently manages power, ensuring the ideal cooking environment for perfect results. The Fast Combi feature merges convection, grilling, and microwaving, providing faster cooking than traditional ovens. The power smoothing inverter adapts power intensity for consistent results without overheating. Additionally, the appliance boasts 19 built-in smart presets, making cooking, reheating, and defrosting a breeze. The convenience of this appliance is matched by its performance. Whether it's achieving crispy air fryer results or the perfect bake, the Breville Combi Wave offers versatility without compromising on taste or texture. However, its comprehensive features might be overwhelming for those seeking a simpler appliance. The spaciousness and smart cooking options cater to families or culinary enthusiasts aiming for variety and quality in their meals. Overall, this appliance is a perfect fit for those seeking multifunctionality without sacrificing performance. Its ability to seamlessly switch between cooking modes and deliver delicious results makes it an asset for diverse culinary needs. Thank you for watching our product review video. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed the content, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more product reviews and recommendations.